Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, I don't know if you remember, I did a video some time ago about castor oil with foundation. Today I am going to do Vaseline with foundation. You know, Vaseline is a very important role in my skincare that I use. I use it on my eyes, I use it on my face, I use it on my body, I also use it on my lip, and also I use it on my boob hair. So I have been using Vaseline for hair. You can use this. People thought that Vaseline sometimes is bad. It's not. And they thought that, oh, Vaseline can also be used on your hair. This is what my mom used all her life, Vaseline on her hair. And her hair always look good, always grow, always moisturizing. So Vaseline have some benefit here, and we are sometimes afraid of Vaseline, which we shouldn't. We should use Vaseline. You can use this, you can mix it with the oil for your skin, you can use this and mix it also with your lotion for your skin. It gives you a really smooth moisturizing skin, and it is natural. You can mix Vaseline um natural with wax or mineral oil together to master in your skin and repair your dryness. So it is also good, always good to have Vaseline around in your home. Even in the winter, if you have a cracked lip, you can use Vaseline on your lip, or even if your lip is not cracked, you can use it. You can use this on sunburn. You can use this if you get burned with hot water. You can also use it on your skin. So today we are going to apply some Vaseline to my face. So this is my Vaseline for my skin, and I'm going to take out a bit of it, and it does moisturize your skin, you guys. In the winter, this is my most thing that I use for my skin. So I am going to apply some of the Vaseline to my face here. I'm not gonna put a lot, but I am going to put a good amount of the Vaseline to my skin and apply it to my skin. I also like to put it underneath my neck here. You can mix Vaseline with other grease for your hair. If you don't want to use Vaseline alone, Vaseline is very, very good for hair. So this is how my skin look after using the Vaseline on my skin. This is how my face look, you guys. And I love using Vaseline. I use mostly, like, I go through Vaseline for my skin during the winter. In the summer I also use it because I'm not really a lover of lotion, and in the summer, if I use the lotion, my skin is really like sweaty and sticky. So I continue to use Vaseline throughout my life. Like, this is one of my main focus in Vaseline. So if you have Vaseline in your home, don't throw it out, use it. If you get a sunburn, you can use it on your skin. If you also got, like, sometimes, we mistakenly pour in hot water and it catch, just apply some Vaseline to that burn. It really, really help you guys. So this is how my face look for now. So today I am going to use one of the foundation, which is for natural mature skin, and this is the L'Oreal True Match. I love these foundation. They are amazing, you guys. So today I am going to apply to this brush. I bought this brush on Timo, and I do like how it really blend in my foundation and my skin. So I'm not putting on any moisturizer, I'm not putting on any primer. I am just going to use the Vaseline and the foundation, and you can see putting it on your skin. People thought that, oh, you have to have moisturizer every time you're doing your foundation. You don't have to. Just use Vaseline if you don't, especially in the winter. You can. If you have oily skin, I would tell you to stay away from it. But if you have dry skin or combination skin, Vaseline is something that you can use on your skin. But if you have an oily skin, don't do this, because Vaseline it's a grease, and if you use it on your oily skin, then it may give you a pimple or something. But as for me, You can see how easily it blends out on my skin here, very easily, and it look natural on the skin. It's not too heavy because I didn't put, this foundation is not a really light foundation. A small amount goes away a long way, but as for me, I am okay with it. Yeah, I am okay with the Vaseline and the foundation to my skin. So as I said, if you have really oily skin, don't attempt to try this out. But if you have dry skin, where you know sometimes our skin get dry and patchy, this is something that you can apply to your skin. And you can see this is how my face look, really smooth with the Vaseline here. There's no mark or anything here. So I'm gonna use my sponge and I am going to blend out the foundation with the Vaseline here, because I don't want to put a lot. It's very smooth, guys, and the skin, I hope you can see, but it's very a bit, it's a bit, I have to use two ring light um to really show you, and I hope you can see it really good. So this is how the foundation look on my skin with the Vaseline. So now I am going to apply some concealer underneath my eyes because I want to conceal the under eye, and I like to conceal this way, and then I go this way and underneath here because my eyes have bag. I always go underneath where the bag stop here. So how are you guys doing? I am doing great myself here. Some time ago I used my my iPad to record, but I was trying to put up video and I was having problem with the iPad. Like I was saying, what happened? Like every time I tried to upload, I was having some form of problem with it. Yeah. So you can see now I'm blending the concealer underneath my eyes pretty good. Also where I do apply some eye cream there before I put the Vaseline underneath my eyes. So I do apply the Vaseline, the eye cream first, and then I do apply some Vaseline underneath it. So usually when I'm doing, because my eyes is baggy, when I'm doing concealer, I don't put the concealer underneath here. I put it here because this is where my bag stop. And trust me, you guys, I end up come see my mom with baggy eyes. So this is not nothing new. I try everything I can to make sure that the bags goes away, but it always seems to just here. So let's apply some blush to my skin to really get that color. And I'm going to use this blush. It's a peaches color blush from Elf. I buy this, but I hardly use it, but it's really of a nice blush. If you're not looking for a bright blush, this is something that you can do, you can use. So, and then I'm just gonna set my under eye with a little bit of powder, and that's where. So if you have oily skin and you use Vaseline, make sure you set with some setting powder, as I said. Make sure you guys you set with some setting powder. So I'm gonna finish up and then I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so this is my final look with the Vaseline and the foundation together. Blend out really good, really smooth on the skin. It make the skin feel soft. As I said, if you have dry oily skin, don't try this, but if you have dry skin or patchy skin, this is something that you can use. And you can see it doesn't even move from the face. So these are my two main products. I did the castor oil, so I do the Vaseline this time with the foundation together. And this is one of my favorite foundation that I use on my skin, because it's good for mature skin, and it's super blendable foundation from the drugstore, which is L'Oreal True Match. The Vaseline is very good to keep, you guys. As I said, I use Vaseline on my skin, and this is how my skin is. I use Vaseline on my skin, I use it on my face. Sometimes, you know, when you shower, and instead of me putting castor oil, I will just use the Vaseline if the castor oil is not close by me. I use this on my leg, my hand, every part, inch of my body I use Vaseline. Also my husband, we use Vaseline both together. And even if you have a dry lip, or Vaseline is very good. You can use it on burn, you can use it on sunburn, you can use it if you're cooking and you get a little burn from the stove, you can use it. So don't just throw away Vaseline out of your creation in your home. Keep a bottle of petroleum Vaseline, whether petroleum or whatever. This one is the Equate. It's a little bit cheaper than the other one, but I do go for it, right? I do go for it. And I have been using Vaseline on my skin for the longest while now. Since I come to this country, I started to use lotion and I find out that I was itchy. So then I turned to Vaseline and I never go back. So you guys, bless your name, Jesus. And I just want to say, I just want to thank you so much for being a part of this channel, Ruby Beauty Lifestyle. And if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. Turn on notification bell that when I upload a video, you can be notified. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.